I'm about to prove that a 5-star restaurant dinner can cost less than $1.75 a serving. And we're doing it all in the Instant Pot. Forget expensive white wine, forget expensive fancy herbs. Today, we're hacking the system by burning our lemons on purpose and dropping a secret budget weapon directly into the pot. You will not believe what a single tablespoon of Dijon mustard does to the broth. It completely transforms it and turns it into a silky smooth high-end reduction for literally pennies. Stop overpaying for good food. Drop your chicken in, hit the timer, and let's get cooking. First things first, go ahead and hit saute. We want this pot nice and hot. Now, while that's heating up, we're grabbing 2 massive lemons. Seriously, look at the size of these things. We're gonna slice them right down the middle. Watch your fingers, please. And we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to drizzle a little olive oil right onto the cut side. Just give them a nice little elegant massage so they're totally covered. Trust me on this. It's preventing them from sticking, burns off that bitter edge, and coax those sweet, incredible juices out of them. Plus, it feels fancy. Now, take those oiled up lemons and place them face down right at the bottom of the pot. Hear that sizzle? Beautiful. We are going to leave them completely alone for 4 minutes. Do not touch them, do not look at them wrong, just let them be nice and charred. Once that time is up, pull them out and set them aside. They're going to be looking a little dark, but that's exactly where the flavor lives. Now, we're going to add a little bit more oil to our pot and let it heat up. Next up, drop in 1 diced yellow onion right into all those beautiful leftover lemon juices. They are instantly going to start soaking up that charred flavor. Smells incredible already. Now, toss in 3 carrots cut into nice even rounds. They're going to add that perfect touch of sweetness to this base. In goes 2 chopped celery stalks. Now, give everything a really good mix so those gorgeous veggies get to know each other. We're gonna let these saute for 4 minutes until they get nice and tender. Time for the good stuff. Toss in 4 teaspoons of minced garlic. You know we don't skip on the garlic in this kitchen. Seriously, if your neighbors can't smell this, you didn't add enough. Now, we're adding 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Just sprinkle it right over the top. Give everything a thorough mix to get all those veggies beautifully coated. And we'll let that saute for just 1 minute. It's gonna wake up that herb flavor and make the whole room smell fantastic. Splash in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Give everything a quick mix and make sure to scrape up all those beautiful charred bits from the bottom. We definitely want that flavor, but we don't want that dreaded burn warning. Once it's all completely scraped clean, go ahead and turn off saute mode. Now we are pouring in 4 cups of chicken broth. Just stream that right over the veggies. This is going to bring everything together and create an absolutely incredible rich base for our soup. Slide in 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I always love using thighs here because they stay incredibly juicy and tender. And they're going to absorb all those amazing flavors we just built up. Next up, we're going in with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Just a nice even sprinkle across the top. And right behind it, we're adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Remember, we can always adjust the seasonings at the very end. But this is going to give our chicken and veggies a perfect head start. Now, we're taking 1 cup of orzo and gently scattering it right across the top. Just let it float there like it's on a vacation. Whatever you do, do not mix it in. Seriously, keep your hands off that spoon. If the pasta sinks to the bottom, it's going to burn, throw a tantrum, and absolutely ruin our vibe. Alright, lock that lid in place, make sure the valve is set to sealing, and we're pressure cooking on high for just 3 minutes. Now, when the cook timer goes off, do a manual release of the pressure because we want to stop that pasta from overcooking. Don't go anywhere though, we still have a few crucial steps to finish out this ultimate soup. And hey, while we're waiting, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. Alright, the lid is off and it smells incredible. Now, we're going to carefully fish all of these chicken thighs out of the pot and move them over to a separate bowl. Grab 2 forks and start shredding this chicken up into nice bite-sized pieces. It should be so tender it practically falls apart on its own. Once you got it all shredded up, go ahead and slide it right back into the pot so it can soak up all that beautiful broth again. Next, we're scooping 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard right into the pot. This is our secret weapon right here. It adds a beautiful, subtle tang that completely elevates this entire broth. Now, we're adding just 1/4 teaspoon of paprika for a little hint of warmth and a beautiful pop of color. Once that's in there, give everything in the pot a really big mix. Make sure that mustard and paprika get fully incorporated. And just look at how incredible this soup is starting to look. For the absolute best part, take those lemons we prepped earlier and squeeze all that fresh juice straight into the soup. That bright citrus is going to cut right through the richness and completely wake up all of those flavors. Once that's all in, give it one big beautiful final mix, and this masterpiece is officially ready to serve. But don't go anywhere yet, stick around because coming up next, I've got a full written list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions so you can make this at home. And of course, the ultimate taste test. And hey, if you love this recipe, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss another delicious meal. Let's eat. Alright, I got it right here. Let's give it a try. Hold on. Wow, that is actually insane. I knew the budget hacks would work, but I didn't expect it to turn out this good. The very first thing you hit is a massive, vibrant burst of citrus. Because we charred those lemons first, it's not sharp or sour at all. It's sweet, smoky, and incredibly smooth. And let's talk about this broth. Look at how velvety this is. That single tablespoon of cheap Dijon mustard completely emulsified with the starches from the Orzo. It literally mimics a high-end white wine reduction, but we made it for pennies. The chicken thighs are completely falling apart and the Orzo is cooked perfect al dente. And you get a little hint of warmth from that paprika. It tastes like a $50 restaurant meal, but our wallet knows the truth. Seriously, if you want to completely dominate your meal prep this summer and eat like royalty without breaking the bank, now do me a massive favor and hit that like button and also smash the subscribe button for more budget-friendly recipes. And drop a comment below letting me know if you're gonna try this mustard hack. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.